Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
QuickBooks Desktop Pro has a multitude of different support features. Answers to almost any QuickBooks question can be found by using the QuickBooks Desktop Help/Contact Us Help feature, which lets you search for help topics by subject and display the information that is found. Let's review some of the various help features available within QuickBooks Desktop Pro Plus 2023. First, there's the QuickBooks Desktop Help/Contact Us Help feature. This lets you search for topics within all the local and online help resources for additional assistance, or click the Contact Us button to contact Intuit support. To access this help topic, select Help, then QuickBooks Desktop Help/Contact Us from the menu bar. There's also the New Business Checklist help feature. This is a checklist that helps new businesses ensure they have completed critical tasks needed to start a new business. To access this help topic, select Help, New Business Checklist from the menu bar. Finally, there is the Year-End Guide help feature. This is a checklist that lists the steps you should review at the end of your business year. To access this help topic, select Help, Year-End Guide from the menu bar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.